how you feel that you actually coming from live up in Milwaukee, wonderful. But for real, I'm bored. I'm not doing enough to pretend my hair, as you can see. So let's look after my hair. But I am about to sing a little bit of encouragement still. And sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. And no matter how you feel, speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord. Oh, sometimes you gotta pat your own self on the back, yeah, you have to speak victory during the test, and no matter how you feel, speak the word over your life, and you will be here. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord.